Hello, my friend. Evan Scoresby here with howtowithevan.com, and in today's how-to tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create and send an email marketing newsletter using GetResponse. So GetResponse is an email marketing platform that allows you to set up automatic email messages to go out to your list of subscribers, but you can also send manual messages anytime that you want, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. So the first thing that you would need to do is obviously log into your GetResponse account. So just go to getresponse.com, click on the login option up in the top right corner, put in your username and password, and then you'll come to the dashboard, which is this screen that looks like this. Now, before you send out a newsletter, you want to make sure that you select the current campaign to where you want your newsletter to be sent. And so you might just have one campaign, and that's fine. Or you might have multiple campaigns that have different subscribers on each list. And so you just got to choose the one that you want to send the email out to, and that's going to be relevant to that list. And so I'm going to choose my How To with Evan campaign. So you just go up here in the top right corner, choose the campaign that you'd like. Okay. All right. And then once I'm on the campaign, I can either create a newsletter from right here, this green box with the white envelope, or I can go right up here to Messages and Create Newsletter. Either place is going to get me to the same spot. So just choose the one that you want to do, and I'm just going to choose the one from the Messages bar. And then you'll come to a page that gives you two options to either select this drag and drop email editor or the HTML source. So you want to choose the drag and drop email editor. It's going to be the easiest one to work with. This one only choose if you are a programmer and you know HTML coding. But just go ahead and choose this option where it says drag and drop email editor. And then this will take you to the newsletter settings. Okay, so these newsletter settings is first it's going to ask for the message name. And this is a name that's just for your purpose only. You're the only one that's going to see this. It's not going to be visible to your subscribers. And this is just some type of identifying information to let you know what this email is about. So for me, I'm usually put the date on it. So I'm going to put the date and just a blog post update, because that's what I'm going to be emailing people about. And then on the subject line, this is actually the subject line that people will see when they get the email. And the subject line has one purpose, and one purpose only, is to get people to open up the email. So just make sure that you put a subject line that people will want to click on and want to open. So I'm just going to put, my subject line is, did you see this? And then I'm going to choose this personalize option over here, where I'm going to insert the subscriber's first name. So if the subscriber is on my list and they've provided me with their first name, it'll say, did you see this Bob? Or did you see this Carl? Or did you see this Megan? Whatever their first name, it will be automatically inserted into the subject line. And then I'm going to choose the from email address. So this is the email address that I want people to know and to see where it's coming from. So I'm going to choose my How To with Evan email. Then once I have the settings done, I'm going to click on Next Step. And when I come to the next step here, it's actually going to let me choose an email marketing template. Okay, so there's lots of different templates that you can choose from all different types of category and niches. And so you can use one of these templates, and if you do, you just edit the text information and maybe change some pictures. But if you don't want to use one of the templates, you can always choose this option up here at the top left that says Start from Scratch. And that's the one that I usually choose from, because I like to just send plain text-based messages that are simple and easy to read, but have some good information in them. So I'm going to choose this option right here where it says Start from Scratch. And when I choose this option, it still gives me some templates that I can use, and it shows like a picture block up here, and then a text, or text, picture, text, text, and or picture and two columns of text. So you can still choose a template, or you can choose the option at the bottom where it's just completely blank. But for my emails, I usually choose this one, which has text at the top, a picture, and then text at the bottom. So I'm going to use this template right here. And when I choose this template, it's going to have these blocks, and I just need to update and change the information in there. Okay? And it will come pre-filled with some text information that is just placeholders. Like these are just placeholders here that doesn't have any, you just need to take that out and edit it. Okay? And so I'm going to start with the picture. So my picture is just an image of myself as part of my signature in my emails. So I'm just going to, when I choose this, let me close that. I just click on choose image, and then I can choose from stock images that GetResponse offers, or I can click on my images, and these are all the images that I have previously uploaded and used in the past. So I can upload a new one over here if I'd want to use a new one. But I'm going to use one I already have uploaded, which is just my profile image. So I'll just click on it, and it will automatically insert it in. But then it's way too big, so I'm going to bring it down to size here to make it smaller. All right, and then once I've made it smaller there, you'll notice that this image block is really big because it had the big picture. So I'm just going to move this up so there's not as much white space underneath. Okay, and then at the bottom here is where I'm going to be putting my signature. And under my signature on my email, I already have it written out here, so I'm just going to delete everything that's in here, and I'm going to paste in what I have already pre-written out. So it just has my name, it has my email address, and then I have a little PS line here at the bottom. Okay, and so I'll make this PS line stand out a little bit. So I'm going to highlight the text here, and I'm going to bold it, and then I'm referring people to an affiliate network that they can sign up for to find additional offers to promote. It's a great network. It's actually my favorite one. So I'm going to link some text. So I'm just going to highlight this text right here, and I'm going to choose, come on. For some reason it doesn't like it, so let's try it with the keyboard. I'm going to link that text, highlight it, and I'm going to choose this option right here that says Insert Edit Link. And then I'm going to insert the link that I've already have and press OK. And now you can see that changed to linked. And now I'm just going to put in the email. So instead of typing it all out here for you, I've already typed it out beforehand, so I'm just going to paste it in. So I'm going to delete everything that's out there. I'm going to paste it in. Oops. Let's try that again. All right, so here's my message. And this is, again, I can personalize the email. So if I want to insert their first name, like the subject line, I can insert it with the personalize button down here. But I've already typed it all out, and I just need to do one more link to the blog post. And that's right here. So access the tutorial here. I'm going to highlight that text, click the link option again, and put in the URL to my blog post that you're on right now. So I'm going to delete this part. And so there's my email. Okay, so it has just a short message, my signature, and a PS line. And once I'm done, if you want, you can view the mobile option over here. So on the mobile option, it will look to see how it will look up on phones. And I notice here there is a break. So I need to bring this 2 down and bring that up together on one line because it just was kind of looking funky there. So now that looks better. And also this one right here, I need to change this down to make that look better here over on the preview. So now it shows it there. Everything else looks good. So once I'm done with my email and I'm happy with how it looks, I'm just going to choose this option where it says next step. And then this will take me to a place where I can choose the campaigns. So again, you might have multiple campaigns in here with lots of different subscribers. So you might have different niches, and so you might not want to select all of your campaigns. Only select the ones that are going to be appropriate to what you're emailing them about. So I'm just going to select the campaigns that are going to be relevant to me. All right. And then once you've selected the campaigns, you can select more than one, like I showed you here. I'm just going to scroll down here and go to this option where it says next step. And then here, this is my message summary. So this is where I can verify the message subject. This is where I can confirm my template. And this is where I can preview my message for a spam score. And it's okay, it's only 1.1. But it gives me the option here where I can choose an inbox preview. So you want to choose this option, and it's going to open up in a new tab. And it's just going to preview how your emails will look in all these different kind of services. Okay, so you don't necessarily need to wait for this preview to come up. You just need to click it, go back to your email tab up here, and then this is going to have an option down here where you can send or schedule the message to go out. So if you want it to be sent right away, you're just going to choose send. But if you want to schedule it to go out on a specific day or time of day, you can choose the schedule option. Okay, and that's all that's all there is to it. So once you have clicked send or schedule, you are done sending and creating your email marketing newsletter. Hope you found this tutorial valuable. If you did, please leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to click the links below to get more information about a GetResponse account, or to be able to submit a how-to request on what I can teach you in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.